Today we are staying at Old Key West. It is a Disney Vacation Club resort, and today we're staying in a Deluxe Studio. We have building 40, room 4010. This room ran us $364 per night. Comes with 2 queen beds. We'll check out the balcony in a minute. Little table and chair set. The TV. And then with the Deluxe Studio, a little microwave, little storage. Comes with a fridge. Pretty good fridge. No freezer though. Okay, and here's the bathroom. Got our vanity sink, plenty of hand towels. Toilet, our tub. And then all your towels are gonna be behind the door. And on the door is a full-length mirror. They got the Sea Marine body wash, shampoo, and conditioner here. But they also give you the Disney sea salt soaps to go. Inside the utility closet is where you're gonna find. They give you a sweeper, a broom, a mop, a luggage stand, an iron, and an ironing board. And this is where your safe is gonna be. It's one of the upright ones, so anything tall you'll have to stand up. But it's a pretty good size one. We go back out. This door here opens up and it makes it a 2-bedroom villa if you have more people staying. And then out on the balcony. We're on the floor, on the ground floor. So we have a little 2 tables and chairs, and it's actually very quiet here. You got the occasional family walking past, but other than that, it is a super quiet resort. And the beds, they have plenty of storage for suitcases underneath. And then in between the beds is where you're gonna find your chargers. They got the outlets and the USB, and then, of course, Hello Disney.